Types of vectors. Vectors has basically three types. Proper vector acts along a straight path such as torque, angular momentum, angular velocity. Axial vector acts along the axis of rotation such as torque, angular momentum, angular velocity. Inertial or pseudo vectors. Vectors used to make non-inertial frame of reference into inertial frames of reference, and these are further divided into 8 types. Types of inertial vectors. Vectors are subdivided into three parts: proper vectors, inertial and axial vectors. Inertial vectors are further subdivided into unit vector, which has magnitude only 1, null vector, which has magnitude 0. Parallel vectors have same directions, anti-parallel vectors have opposite directions, equal vectors have same magnitude and direction, co-initial vectors have same initial point, collinear vectors lies on the same line, coplanar vectors lies in the same plane. Unit vector. A vector whose magnitude is equal to 1 and is directed along the given vector is called unit vector. A unit vector has no dimensions and it is unitless, means it has no dimensions. It is used to describe the direction of a vector. It is represented by a letter with a cap or hat on it. Mathematically, vector A magnitude and its unit vector. Unit vector is represented by A hat is equal to A vector by its magnitude, divided by its magnitude. Some commonly used unit vectors are I acting along x-axis, J along y-axis, K along z-axis. R unit vector represents the position of a vector, and N unit vector acts along the normal perpendicular to the plane. Second, null or zero vector. A vector whose magnitude is 0 and has arbitrary direction is called a null vector. It is represented by, it is used to as a vector identity for addition. Sum of vector A with its negative vector A is a null vector. A vector plus negative of A vector is equal to null vector. Sum of vectors taken by head to tail rule along the sides of a closed polygon is a null vector. We cannot add 0 to a null vector. Parallel vectors, vectors having only same direction are said to be parallel. Anti-parallel, the vectors having opposite direction are called anti-parallel vectors, such as A and B have opposite direction or A and C have opposite direction, and they are called anti-parallel vectors. Equal vectors, vectors having same magnitude and direction are said to be equal, regardless of the position of their initial points. In this diagram, A and B are two equal vectors. Co-initial vectors. If vectors have same common initial point, then they are called as co-initial vectors. They have same initial point. Collinear vectors. If vectors are along same line, then they are called collinear vectors. Coplanar vectors. If vectors are along the same plane or same surface, then they are called coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors lies in the same plane or same surface.